Hey y'all, what's up? It's Stock Vibes. Today, a few things I'm gonna get to. First is when you buy stock, you have to be patient. Um, Numbers drop, but that doesn't mean that your stock is gonna be like dropping all throughout the day because you can sell it and it go right back up. So you have to be patient. Two, you have to know what you're looking for when you buy stock. Like I post stock throughout the day, that does not mean buy it. That means put it on your watch list. Do not buy it as soon as you see it, because it could be like on the drop, and like I said, you can lose by doing that. So I would say you need to research it, kind of watch the charts. Normally, when I get some stock, I kind of watch it for like a week, and then I kind of make a move on it. I pay attention to the moves it make, the patterns. Um, and three, you have to understand like your shares, the amount of shares you're buying. Um, if you buying just one share, two shares, I mean, you're not gonna make no money, like realistic money, So when you see stock that's like penny stocks that's like 50 cent, you need to like kind of get a good bit of them so you can make some money when they rise. Um, I think a stock I gave was OCGN, and it was last week it was like 46 cent, and the stock went up to 85 cent. So if you bought a good bit of shares of that one, you actually made you some money. So like I say, this week was kind of slow, but I actually still was able to cash out 230. I sent that back to myself. The goal, you always pay yourself. I don't just do stock just to do stock, just so it looks good. I actually do it so I can make money from it. This is one of the deposits I had. This is actually today. So it was 230, and I have another one at the bottom right here. It was 2 days ago, 120. So this week I made, what is it, 230, and this one. So I missed a decent week. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go just to some stocks so y'all can kind of get an idea of what I do when I look at a stock. I'm just gonna go to this one, just picking a random. I'm gonna pick another one because this is like that crypto. So I'm gonna pick the one I said from last week that I told everybody about. All right, this is what I do. I normally just come on here, look at it. I follow a chart. I come down. I look at the earnings the company had as a whole, like the quarters. This how it's broken down into 4 quarters. If you look at the bottom, it shows the earning per share that they made. And they normally have like calls. Every company, they have like these calls to tell their earnings, And normally like the CEO of the company would talk for like the upcoming month, the sales, the goals they're trying to reach, and you kind of find out like the predictions for the stock. All right, so what I do is like, say I was looking for this stock. This is the stock I already told everybody about. When I told them it was last week, it was like 46 cent. So man, if you look at it, it's already up. It's up. It's up to 62 cent. So 16 cent difference since the time I told them. So what I do is when I'm looking at a stock, I'm trying to get me a good stock. I come here, I look at the chart. So today the low was 59 and the high was 62. So I look back, I go back a week to see where it was. All right, this is when I told everybody to buy around this mark, 46, 47. And as you notice, it kept going up. Start rising. Went up to 71. Went back down. I know it went all the way up to at least like 85 cent at one time. There it goes, rising now. So this was the highest. This was the highest it went. That was last week, which was the 28th. And as you can see, it started dipping. And look, by the 30th, it had to dip back. As you can see, it start going up. But this is how you follow it. You need to follow it. When you buy something, you need to analyze everything. I mean, you can even go back 3 months, and you can follow the chart from there. If you watch it here, it was 30 cents. So I mean, you can see this one is constantly on the move. So from last week, it was at, a week ago, it was around 46 cents. That was the lowest. I told him at 46. So with a stock like this, I would wait for it to dip a little bit more, try to get it to like 50 cents a share. So I will keep my eye on this one. Like I say, that's what I do. I normally watch the charts to study it, so I can know the movements, when it's going to dip, when I feel it's going to rise. Like I said, you have to analyze this. Don't just buy stock just to buy it. Stock goes down every day. Today the market was kind of slow, so everything was going down. This actually went back up towards the end of the day. It went back to like 55 cents, and then it shot back up. So I mean, as you can see, it's still up from the past week, 25%. And then today, look at the chart. When you see this 3.7, that's how much it went up after hours. Today, it was 0.35%. It went down, and after hours, it went up 3.7%. So you have to understand the charts. Like, you have to understand how to read this. And this is when it went up. You have to understand, like, you know, everything on the chart. I mean, because that's what's going to help you whenever you go to look for all this is keys for you, for your success of getting a good stock, making you some money. So you have to do your homework. So like I said, this is a good one. Put this on your watch list. I actually told everybody about that one. Like I said, a couple of people that did it, they did real good with it. I'm gonna pull up some more stock. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna show y'all the one that I'm looking at. That's on my watch list that I've been analyzing. This one, I've been analyzing it today. I actually should have bought this one today. It dropped to $17 a share, and normally when it drops, it drops from the range 14 to 17, and it jumps back up. So today, this one was like $17. And I was watching this one today, and I kind of missed it. So it went from 17 before the market opened. So when the market opened, it went to like I think it was like 21. Here you go. It was right here when the market opened. So I was sitting up there thinking about buying it, and I knew it was gonna shoot up because I've been watching it for the last 2 weeks. And this what it did to me. It shot up. It went from 21 to 41, and I day trade, so this would have been a good day trade for me. I would have just cashed out. So this one, it jumps up. So my buying point right now for this one, between $14 and $17. If this one goes to 17 tomorrow, I'm definitely buying this one tomorrow. So if you're looking for a good day trade, kind of keep this one on your watch list and kind of watch it, because like I say, whenever it jumps fast, and it jumps back down too, so you're gonna have to get out of it. So the market open, as you can see, it's 8:50. That was the market. It was already open, and this was This was last night. I've been watching this one, and this one did the same. It did the same trend for like 2 weeks. So I've been watching this one. So it went from 20 to 41 in less than 30 minutes. So that would have been a good day trade for you. So look at that. From 850 to 920. It's 30 minutes. So that would have been your day trade right there. Then it dipped down a little bit, which is still good because, I mean, you bought it at 21. And then it went to 38. It stayed at 38. So about an hour, it was already at 38. It stayed at 38 for like an hour, which is a good enough time for you to get out of there and make your trade. As you can see, this is not a stock to hold. This is not nothing to hold long term because, like I said, it goes up and down. So I have my eye on this one because I know it's gonna go back down to my range where I want to buy it, between 14 and 17. That's my ideal price range for this one. And as you can see, it drops down. It dips back. Right now it's at 29. The lowest it went today was 21. So I mean, it dips. Then it went back up. I kind of watched this one all day, and it went back up. See, 35. So this is one that you have to buy and get out of. You don't want to hold this one. But this is a good one. Like I say, the price range you want to try to get this one at, $14 to $17 a share. And like I say, if you get it at that price, you can make you some good money off of it. I actually had it at one time, and then I actually sold it. So this is a good one. You just have to watch it. I would probably show. It don't have the chart at the bottom. I normally have the chart at the bottom. I would have showed y'all the full thing of the numbers. But like I said, that's what I do. I kind of analyze stuff like that. You got to follow the chart. You got to kind of understand what it's going to do. And that's normally how I jump on stuff. I normally look at it to see what it's going to do, and I buy it. So, like I said, with stock, take your time, be patient. The message I do have, don't make too many moves because you have 3 day trades in 5 days. So a day trade is when you buy stock and sell it the same day. So you got to be careful. That's my message to y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing. Have a good night.